Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Shazam on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and search Shazam. After click on Shazam, if you want to install, click on app and here showing you install. Click on install and you will see Shazam is installed according to your internet connection. After install and Shazam is showing on your app screen and app list. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Shazam on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.